a lot of times we don't know how to quilt our projects. We think, well, what pattern should I choose? What free motion quilting design? And how should I start? Should I do double batting or single batting? Or should I do edge to edge? So sometimes we just need to see how one design can be quilted in multiple ways to start to figure out what is my personal preference. And sometimes that preference might change from one project to the next. But when you do multiples of the same thing, which is what I love to do, if you watch my videos, I say that make small projects, but make the same thing. In this case, I've made 4 woven bars blocks into pillows using different fabrics, but also mainly using different machine quilting techniques. It's a learning process. It helps me to figure out what I might do in a bigger quilt. I might combine techniques from one project to the next, or I might take that technique I used in one, in this case it's edge to edge, and do this edge to edge design over an entire quilt. Or I might do a more traditional design. Take a look at this. What do you think about this? Multiple layers, same quilt block, woven bars, but it has a more of a traditional quilting design. I might take the techniques from that, which combines free motion quilting, freehand, and also using a stencil, doing some pre-marking. Sometimes we have time to do that. Other times we don't, and we just want an edge to edge, get it done type of machine quilting. But unless we practice, it's hard to get started on larger projects because we don't want to choose the wrong design, choose the wrong thread, choose the wrong technique. When we have a small project, we can make mistakes on these small projects and hone those skills, right? I think you would agree with me. But I like the benefit of not just using small projects, but using the same quilt block to see what different looks I can have on that one quilt block. So far you've seen 2. Here's the third one. Free motion quilting in the patchwork. In the small patches. They are feather designs, and some patches don't have quilting at all. 3 very different pillows. Practice, 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 right? That's what we do to get better. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. Mistakes are how we improve. Mistakes are how we get better. Mistakes are learning tools. Practice. Have fun.